Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedu ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban leit puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan an riwei khandai pran. Menteri Rang Ba jong kejela ukonat kongkal sangma ulakular ban anjing kersyani kijai Menteri Hmar bat ya kiwe kijai Menteri na kejela Manipur kiba buhai shnong hakini kejela Meghalaya kiba angnut ya ka shongsuk shongsan kijai Menteri Hmar bat kiwe kiba sa Meghalaya kila Kyrpad ru ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya bakan hirap ban Leit shaulem ya ki Bahaïing hasem ki jongki ki barang sakut ha kejela Manipur bat ki dot mentah pedang ke jings ir mensiem na ka jingki ke bejur ha kejela Manipur ha kini kendiat sengi.
Some of the concerned citizens and some of the leaders from the Hmar community and the other communities of the Kuki communities, they had met me and they have asked for whatever support we can give from our side as a state government, especially to ensure that there is peace in Shillong, number one. Number two, wherever the family members of anybody, any family members of any of the Kuki families or the families who are coming to Shillong to be with their family during these difficult times, if there can be any way the government can give support. So we have asked Deputy Commissioner to look into that matter. And they've also asked us to take up some of the issues and concerns with the central government as a political party. So those things also, I'll be going to Delhi soon. So whenever I get the opportunity, definitely I'll take up the matter. As overall peace in the state of Manipur is important for the overall peace in the northeast region. And all the situation that has happened in the last few days has been very unfortunate. And I once again, through all of you, would like to appeal to the people of Manipur and the communities that are involved that whatever it is, we must try to ensure that peace is there and violence should not continue. So in the last 3 days, almost 300 plus students have been brought from there, and government of Meghalaya has paid for almost all of them. Maybe there was some advance or some written, they had to give some kind of undertaking, but those were technical problems. As you're aware that we had a lot of technical issues, as government of India insisted on not sending chartered flights, and hence we had to take the commercial flights, and that required each student to pay by themselves to their own personal account or through the cash. And hence, even though government wanted to book the tickets in the first day especially, we had a lot of challenges. But in the next few days, yesterday and today, and day for yesterday, we were able to then resolve those issues. And today, almost all the students are out, barring maybe just one or two, maybe because of technical reasons. But 99% of our students are back now in Meghalaya.